Here we have for sale our November 2022 on a 72 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T32, which means it's got a 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2 litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. This is an L1 short wheelbase Highline DSG, which is the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox Kombi van, which means it's got seats in the back. This finished in the fantastic metallic Ravenna blue. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline DSG Kombi of this age. And we'll talk you through in detail the condition of this particular example, talk to you about the service history and also the optional extras, the enhancements that have been done to it afterwards and what we've done to it during preparation in readiness for sale, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with a rear glazed tailgate. So a tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed, of course, meaning it has got the rear glass in here. We can tell this is from factory because it has got the heating elements in the screen and also the rear wiper just there as well. First factory optional extra to speak of on this one then is a reversing camera, which doesn't come as standard on the Highline model, so that's a really nice feature to have on these vans. But what does come as standard is rear parking sensors, so you can see those there nicely integrated into the rear bumper. Another optional extra is this one has got a detachable tow bar, and you can see it's got the 13-pin electrics just there. Again, really nice touch on this because it's very discreet. As you can see from here, you wouldn't know that it's got a tow bar, but when you get underneath, you've got that, of course, functionality there. A couple of enhancements then. This one has got the carbon rear bumper protector there and also the rear spoiler as well. Of course, all nicely color coded in the body color, which is Ravenna blue. In terms of the condition here, absolutely stunning condition. One of my absolute favorite colors. I had a T6.1 in this color, so I'm probably a little bit biased, but I just think it looks absolutely stunning. And in terms of the condition here, you can hopefully see here in the lovely sunlight the metallic fleck that is in the paintwork. It just looks absolutely brilliant here. If we open up the rear tailgate, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So having a look in here, we can see it is fully carpet lined inside, which totally changes the feel of the inside of the vehicle. And then of course you've got this very nice plush suede headlining there with the LED spotlights as well. In terms of condition, floor, as you can see there, is in lovely order. You've got this nice soft touch floor, which this is the factory floor that comes in these vans, and you can see you've got the tie down points dotted around the bottom of the van there, so if you want to tie cargo down in there, you can do. Another optional extra on this one then, you can see that this one is set up with a 2+1 split rear seating configuration. As standard, these vans come with just a 3-seater bench, so to have a 2+1 is again a really desirable optional extra. And this is the correct placement of the toolkit, but also the correct placement of the detachable tow bar as well, which is just there. But yeah, impeccable condition inside there. Lovely to see. It's all been carpet lined again, all inside the tailgate as well. Moving then around the outside of the vehicle, and this is where we like to look in these nice dynamic angles here, looking down the side of the vehicle, and you can just see how clean and straight that is. To me, that all looks absolutely original. I can't see any signs of any previous repairs or paintwork there. It looks absolutely spot on. Having a look at the wheels then, my, again, absolute favourite set of alloy wheels on this particular transporter, and that is the Navis Twin 5s. These are a 20-inch gloss black alloy wheel. Really like the design of these, nice chunky spokes, and what I really like is that the profile of the spoke very much mirrors the profile of the Sportline-style sidebars that we fit onto these vans as well. The van is also lowered, so it's lowered on eye-back lowering springs, which gives about a 40 to 45 millimeter drop from standard, and as you can see there, it just helps those wheels to sit in the arch that much better than factory, but without sacrificing the practicality. So this is still very usable day to day, but without going too low on the suspension. If we open up the side loading door then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van here at these seats. As I mentioned, you've got the 2+1 rear seating configuration. You can see you've got ISOFIX compatibility on all 3 of the rear seats back here as well. Carpet lining continues, of course, onto the side of the van. You've got side opening windows being a factory Kombi, and as you can see, the suede headline comes forward and nicely finishes there on the threshold where it meets the cab. In terms of the condition here, flooring, step, it really is a credit to its previous owner. This This van, very clean and tidy. But this is the benefit of the 2+1, is that you can operate this seat or the double seat independently of the other one. And you can flip this one forward, which gives you some easy access into the back of the van. But then from here, you can pull on this handle, and that completely releases this seat individually from the floor. So it's a quick release system. You can have these seats out of here in literally 2 minutes with, you know, no bolts or anything. They're all quick release on the floor. But it gives you versatility. So you can take all of these seats out if you wanted to, and you can just have it as a 2-seater van. Or you could just take a single seat out and have something longer down this side. You could take the double seat out and have something bigger on that side. Lots of options here in the back. Plenty of legroom, as you can see as well, which is why these are so popular with families, leisure purposes. It just gives you so many options here in the back with loads of practicality of the rear load space as well. Opening up the passenger door then, having a look at the condition here of the plastic. Again, the step. This one has got another factory optional extra, which is cab carpet, which is lovely to see. And the single captain passenger seat as well, which is, again, ever popular because it's got the twin adjustable armrests. So you can set these to your desired height, which means you can really get in a nice comfortable seating position. But you've got exactly the same adjustment here as the driver's seat. So you've got height adjustment, you've got backrest adjustment, lumbar support, all on the passenger seat. So if you're doing longer journeys, these are a great option. Now, in terms of the provenance of this van and how it's been looked after, well, it has been looked after really regardless of cost. This has been covered under a Volkswagen service plan from brand new. So you can see services here at 9,000, 25,000 and 44,000 miles. We do also have an additional bill to this just after this last Volkswagen service, which was part of the service plan, which actually featured the DSG oil service as well. So that has also been done, and as I say, we have got record of that. During preparation though, our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, they have gone right through this vehicle with a fine-tooth comb and had a really good look at it. They've given it a fresh service. They've done, I believe, it was either front or rear brake pads, but they've put a set of new brake pads on one of the axles. I believe a new MOT as well. Of course, all the details of that will be in the description of the full advert, but as I say, we've been right through it, and as I say, it's got a clean bill of health, so it's absolutely ready to drive away straight away. A couple of other additions here then. We can see that this one has got a nice set of roof bars, and they have actually got the crossbars on there as well, so you can actually load something up there if you wanted to. Of course, they're not designed for massive weight, but as I say, you could get a ladder or a canoe or something like that up there, no problem at all. Looking around to the front then, and a major optional extra at the front of here. I say this in videos all the time, but LED headlights would be the first box I would be ticking on the options list, speccing a T6.1 today if you could. These are just a fantastic headlight, certainly compared to the standard one, which are subpar. And you can see you've got this nice LED daytime running light, but they're just a great performing headlight and actually improve the look of the van as well, I think, especially when you accompany it with all the styling, which you can see here. Some other changes then, we've got the gloss black upper grills, gloss black lower grills, and this one has actually got an ABT front splitter. So ABT is almost like what AMG is to Mercedes, ABT is that to Volkswagen. So it's well-regarded styling house. That front splitter would have been very expensive when it was brand new and built to the highest of quality, and I think really does set the front of the van off very well. What I like about it as well, it's not too low. It's not, again, like I mentioned with the suspension, it's not sacrificing practicality there. You also get front parking sensors. Again, as you get rear parking sensors as standard, you get front parking sensors as standard as well. But as I say, those headlights are a very nice optional extra. In terms of condition here, you're going to get the odd little stone chip or blemish to the front end here, but generally speaking, this is in very, very good order, this van. Having a look here then down the driver's side, and again, this is where we just like to look in these reflections here. I can see a little hairline mark just there. Just trying to see if there's anything else that I can point out here. No, that's a bit of polish. A little blemish just here I can see on the very edge of the tailgate there. But I say, you're going to get a few bits, of course you are, on a used van with 56,000 miles, but I would say that this is a very, very good example. Opening up the driver's door then, let's have a look inside here. So again, looking at the condition of the step, the floor, that cab cap, it's all in lovely order in here. Driver's seat is in very good order as well. The vehicle is supplied with 2 full flip remote keys. You've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, auto lights, auto wipers. On the left hand side you've got adaptive cruise control. On the right hand side your onboard computer controls. 56,374 miles. You can see us all idling correctly there, no warning lights on the dashboard. And then the last optional extra to speak of, this one has got heated seats as well, which is a nice, again, really nice factory optional extra to have. You get heated windscreen, air conditioning, of course, as standard. On this screen up here at the top, you've got DAB radio, as you can see there, but you also, crucially, get App Connect. So you can connect your phone to this via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by plugging into one of the USB-Cs down here on the side, and you've got a 12-volt socket there and a 12-volt socket up on top as well. You can also see it's supplied with a full leather book pack, as it should be, from brand new. A very, very nice example. This one won't be with us for very long. It's the perfect model, T32 Highline DSG Kombi, 150 brake horsepower, which in my opinion is the engine to have. Say DSG gearbox, which is very well regarded. Fantastic service history. DSG oil service has been done. Fresh service on it as well. Carpet lined, lovely styling kit, ABT front end, really nice list of optional extras. And as well, I haven't mentioned up until now, but if you've stuck around to 11 minutes into this video, it's worthwhile. There is no VAT to pay on this particular example. Massive selling point for this van. We get hardly any transporters with no VAT. You might have already seen that if you've come to this from one of our adverts, but no VAT to pay on this transporter. So if you'd like to inquire, feel free to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the other vans that we've currently got advertised. We can arrange funding at very competitive rates, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. At the time of recording, rates are starting as low as 9.9% APR. Of course, that is subject to acceptance and status. We can take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can arrange delivery nationwide as well. Thank you very much for watching.